In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy clear slime at home with glue. So first of all, I'm starting off with my bowl and a spatula that is dedicated just for slime, and I'm pouring in my glue. I'm using Elmer's clear glue in the quart size. I found that that's a really clear glue. Some different glues can have a bit of a yellowish tone to them, but I found that this particular bottle of glue, the Elmer's quart size glue, doesn't usually have a yellowish tone to it, whereas the gallons sometimes do. So then I'm adding in some baking soda. I eyeball the ingredients, but if this is your first time making slime, I definitely recommend using precise measurements. And if you want precise measurements, I have that available in my book, Ultimate Slime or Ultimate Slime Extreme Edition. I'll have them linked down below. Next, I'm adding in contact lens solution. I like this brand, Renew, and I'm using that to activate the slime along with the baking soda. So you could also use liquid laundry detergent or liquid starch as activator for clear slime, and I really like using liquid starch personally, but it does not make the clearest of slimes. The slime is a bit cloudy, so those two activators are great if you're going to add pigment or coloring to the slime and you don't need it to be clear. But yeah, so if you want like super clear slime, you should use the contact lens and baking soda or a borax solution. If you want to see me try out another recipe for clear glue slime with borax as the activator, I have a video on my channel that I'll link up here in the cards. I tried it out a while back. Anyways, I'm just mixing together the slime until it starts to come together, and I'm just adding in more contact lens solution little by little. You don't want to add too much, because if you add too much, it'll overactivate the slime. So you just want to add, stir, and stir. It's a real arm workout. Before you activated the slime, like before you added your contact lens solution and baking soda, you could have also added in coloring or fragrance oil. So if you want to keep the slime clear, I would use food coloring, and just be aware with some fragrance oils, those might make your slime cloudy, so just test out the different fragrance oils to see which one keeps your slime clear if you want to keep it clear. Once you master making clear slime, you can use this slime to make avalanche slime, super bubbly slime, clear glue foam, fishbowl slimes, glitter bombs, metallic slime, and just slushy slimes, to name a few. This is also great for making slime food replicas. Like if you want to make a little pretend jar of like strawberry jam, you could color clear slime red and add in some other add-ins to make it look like strawberry jam, for example. Now I'm just going in with my hands and I'm kneading the slime. I put a little bit of the contact lens solution to try and not have the slime stick to my hands, but as you can see here, it does a little bit. You're just going to want to knead it, add more activator, in this case the contact lens solution, and just keep kneading it until it comes together and doesn't stick to your hands anymore. Don't forget to go into the slime with clean hands, and make sure your bowl and anything you're using to mix the slime is clean, because any little debris that might be on your table or your hands, anything like that, will get into the slime and could make your slime cloudy if you have like messy hands. So make sure that everything is as clean as possible if you want the clearest slime. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite type of slime is. I usually say glossy slime is my favorite, like white glue glossy slime, because I just love a good old basic slime, especially when it's colored purple, because purple is my favorite color, so I love purple glossy slime. But another slime that I've really been liking recently is Iceberg Slime. So that's the slime, if you know it, it looks like it's hard on top, and because it's dried out on top, and then when you squish it in a video, I really like the sounds it makes, and they're really fun to make. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on any slime like Iceberg Slime or anything like that. If you can't wait for me to film the video, I do have all of the recipes for Iceberg Slime and pretty much any slime you can think of in my slime recipe books, Ultimate Slime and Ultimate Slime Extreme Edition. I also have all of the slime supplies I used in this video and all of my favorite slime supplies linked down below on an Amazon storefront, and it's super easy, all there for you if you want to shop there and use the same slime making materials as I do. Next, you're going to want to store the slime in an airtight container, and I'd recommend using one that doesn't have a lot of air in it, so like one that's pretty similar to the size of the slime so that it doesn't dry out. And then I just leave it to sit for 3 to 5 plus days, and I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible, so this is only after like a little bit less than 3 days, so it still has a few bubbles, but if you want it super clear, let it sit for longer. Like I mentioned, here are my books. Here's the first one, Ultimate Slime, and I'm just flipping through so you can see some of the different slimes. You got a little a glimpse, and I had a ton of fun making this book. And so if you're interested, they have a ton of recipes linked down below, like I said. And as always, I'll see you guys next time for more videos. Let me know what you're interested in. Comment down below if you like this, if you want more, what you want to see. Let me know. I'll see you guys next time.